Okay, we're here at the Nuremberg Toy Fair with Mooney from JR, and he's got the new Forza 700 that looks absolutely fantastic. There's a bit of a change in the tail drive on this, Mooney.
Yes, this is a shaft drive, as you see, and we have a tail cover. This is a very light machine with a 5,000 battery. We have about weight 5,000 grams, 5 kilo. Relatively cheap, light machine.
So the battery location is a little bit higher, yes, so that the
comparison to other center of gravity is in the center.
That's good, and you've got a new set of helical gears that have been designed.
Yes. These are all the parts has been redesigned as new.
Yeah, so it's going to be quieter operation,
yes,
more efficient.
Silent.
Yeah.
Gear drive should be very
excellent performance.
Quiet.
So it's got a really nice two-piece body, which is good just in case something happens.
If you ever crash, you can just replace the one of the frame.
Yeah, we can see here that it's a four-piece frame instead of the previously used two-piece frame. So in the event of crashing, it's easier and cheaper to change the spare parts. So this is a fantastic looking machine. I think it's going to be very attractively priced and should be available in the Australian market in April. Thanks, Mooney.
Thank you.